Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and today I'm going to be exploring another circle. I would tell you what stitches I'm going to use, but I don't have any idea what stitches I'm going to use. So I'm just going to wing it, and I hope you'll come along with me. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, click on the bell to get email notifications. I love hearing from you, as you know, so leave me comments, questions, thoughts, whatever, in the comment section. Don't forget to look at the description section because I leave links for everything that I use. One more thing, if you haven't done so already, I'd love for you to come along with me as I blog on where art and life meet. And I'm on Instagram at Ariane Zurcher. So grab something to stitch with, grab a needle and some thread, and let's start exploring. I've drawn a little chalk circle on the interior of my circle, and I'm using EZM31 and a number 8 weight. I take my stitch above. I did the video on the ladder stitch, and you can look at that. I'll put the link in the upper right hand corner. And now I'm going to go straight across, and I'm going to do the same, a little horizontal stitch. And then I go down below like that, and I have 2 little X's. I go right into this upper X, and I come across and go into the X on the outer edge of the circle. I then drop down and go back out to the outer side. Now I'm going to go into the upper X, go into the upper X over here, drop back down, and go to the outer, or the inner circle. And this is creating my little ladder with my braids on either side. And I'll just continue in this fashion all the way around. So there it is. It's kind of cool. I was thinking of weaving something in here, but I think this is too much like the circle. So I'm not sure what, and it's getting late, so I think I'm going to stop and I'll figure this out tomorrow. I went ahead and wove a piece of silk, 3.5 millimeter silk ribbon in between every second ladder. And now I'm going to try to figure out what I want to do in here. I'm going to use Sue Spargo's Spoke Easy. I've got the 8 spoke, and I'm just going to mark this, the center and the outer edges. So there are my little marks. I think I'm going to do a Tete de Boeuf. I've threaded up a Oriental Linen on an 18 chenille, and if I take my first leg here and then go down here, using my Silken Pearl. Do a 7. All right, so I marked 7 spokes on the outside here, and I think what I'm going to do is do 7 pistil stitches emanating out from the center. And just coming out beyond the edge of the circle by about 1/8 of an inch. Okay, there's that. Okay, so now, what if I just do 3 colonial knots right in the center. Or 1. I'm doing 2 colonial knots every other section here in my shepherd's silk. That's not going to work because I did an uneven number, so I'll have to do it every section. So 2 colonial knots in each of these little sections. I'm just couching once with my number 8 weight EZM 81, and I'm just doing 1 little stitch down right outside or just on the inside of the ladder braid. And there. I think that's it. So there it is. This was interesting. I set out a tough challenge for myself. I wanted to do that ladder stitch, and that really did prove to be quite challenging, but it's interesting, and I think I like it. I like it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this process unfold, and thanks so much for watching. I always appreciate your comments and hearing your insights and thoughts as you watch this process. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Click on that bell for email notifications, and I love hearing from you, so leave me comments in the comments section. Don't forget to check out that description. It seems to get lengthier with each video, but that's where I put hot links to all the different tools that I use in this video, including Sue Spargo's Spoke Easy, the chalk pencil, everything, the threads. Until next time, here's to exploring together.